Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a super potent storytelling technique, the Minto Pyramid technique. Before we get started, if this is your first time in this channel, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Shohini and welcome to the Good Word Project. In this channel, I create content around languages in general and English in particular, productivity tips and professional enablers like emails, PowerPoint, Excel, Word and a bunch of other stuff. So while you are here, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started with the topic of this video. Before we get into what is the Minto Pyramid technique, let us spend a few moments to understand structured thinking. So what is structured thinking? Well, structured thinking is a process of applying a framework to a problem. Often problems present themselves in a manner that seems overwhelming to deal with. Have you ever felt like this with a problem you faced at work where you probably didn't know where to start? In such cases, structured thinking can help. It is a tool that breaks down a problem into smaller tasks that enables one to solve the problem piece by piece, one item at a time, and eventually to solve the bigger problem statement that one was set to solve. The one thing to remember is that structured thinking is as much of a mindset as it is a process. Now let's talk about a profound structured thinking principle, one that has been at the heart of the solution of the top consulting firms in the world, the Minto Pyramid principle. This was first written in the book The Minto Pyramid Principle, a book that was written in 1970s by Barbara Minto and continues to be one of the most important books on business communication. Minto graduated from Harvard Business School in 1963 and was one of only 8 women to graduate in a class of 600. She was also the first female MBA hired by McKinsey. The Minto Pyramid Principle is a tool used to process and structure large amounts of information to convey a story, either via presentation or any other form of communication. It is used to cut to the chase in written text or presentations to ensure that audience attention is captured and that a compelling story is created that is easy to understand and leaves a lasting impression. Here's how one can structure a slide in a presentation using this principle. Firstly, start with the answer or key takeaway or the main message by applying the top-down structure of a pyramid. The second thing to do is to include arguments, and the third thing is to summarize the main points under each argument. Let's break this down using an example. Say on Saturday morning you get asked by your friends where should you all meet and eat tonight. Your main message could be, I think we should eat at the new Japanese restaurant in the neighborhood. In this example, that's your main message and the top of the pyramid. That's what you want the other people and the friends to focus on. Next, you would provide supporting arguments. For example, you could say there are 3 reasons for that. Number 1, it's close. We can just walk over there. It's a 10-minute walk from where we stay. Number 2, the food is apparently super tasty. And number 3, it's fairly cheap. So now you have your main point at the top and 3 supporting arguments. The next level is supporting evidence for the 3 arguments. For example, for argument 1, it's a 10-minute walk. You can share the location of the restaurant over Google Maps. For argument number 2 and 3, you can share the link of the restaurant from Zomato and Google, where your friends can go and read about customer ratings and average pocket pinch. The same principle can be used to deliver any presentation that one is asked to make in school or at work. So that's what today's video was about. Please let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.